You have something that most people can only pretend to have. And right now, there is a very good chance that you are about to give it away for free, or worse, leave it sitting on the shelf like it doesn't matter. Before you build a website, before you design a logo or post a single piece of content, you need to watch this video because the single biggest reason experienced professionals fail to convert their expertise into a coaching or consulting career, some income, is not that they lack knowledge. It's not that they lack credibility. And it's absolutely not that they're too old. It is that they never learned how to package what they know. And that's not your fault. I mean, nobody teaches you this, not in business school. And nobody hands you a playbook on your way out the door after your last corporate role. You're handed a gold watch, maybe a LinkedIn recommendation, and suddenly you're supposed to transform those 20 plus years of hard-won expertise into something that people will actually write a check for. And I'm going to fix that today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact framework, a step-by-step system for taking everything inside your head, your career history, your wins, your war stories, your lessons learned, and turn those into a clear, credible, high-value coaching and consulting offer that attracts the right clients and commands the kind of fees that actually replace your corporate income. And this is not a theory. This is what works. And by the end of this video, you are going to see your own expertise in a completely different light. So let's get into it. Section 1 is why most experts struggle to package their knowledge. Here's something that I want you to sit with for a minute. You probably know people, maybe you are one, who spend 20, 25, even 30 years mastering something. They were the go-to person in their organization. The one who got called into the office, into the room when things went sideways. The one who built the system, ran the team, fixed the crisis, or closed the deal. And then they left the corporate world. Suddenly, they felt like beginners again. Now, why does this happen? I'll tell you exactly why it happens. It's because expertise that lives inside of a corporate structure has context built around it. You had a title that explained your value. You had an organizational chart, and that chart showed you where you fit in. You had a salary that confirmed what you were worth. The institution was doing the packaging for you. The moment you step outside of that structure, the packaging disappears, and all that is left is you and everything you know, which ironically is actually more valuable than it ever was inside the company. But it doesn't feel that way because nobody is handing you a business card that explains your worth anymore. This is the packaging gap, and it is the number one thing that keeps brilliant, experienced people grounded and undercharging, under-positioning, and under-earning in the early stages of their coaching and consulting careers. You are not starting over. You are starting from the top with 2 decades of proof. You just need the framework to translate that proof into an offer. And that starts with understanding what I will call the 3 layers of expertise. Think of your expertise like an iceberg. Layer 1 is the surface layer, your skills and your methods. These are the things that you did, the technical abilities, the tools that you used, the processes that you ran, the systems you built. This is what shows up on your resume. Project management, financial modeling, operations leadership, sales strategy, engineering solutions, leadership development. These are real, tangible, marketable skills. Most people stop here when they try to define, what they offer. And that is the first mistake because skills alone are commodities. You can find project management coaching anywhere. Skills need context to become compelling. And layer 2 is the middle layer. It is your frameworks and your philosophies. And this is how you think. Over 2 decades, you didn't just learn skills, you developed a way of approaching problems. You have mental models, you have decision-making filters, you have pattern recognition that is completely unique to you. And you've probably used these things so naturally for so long that you don't even recognize that you have them, and they are your intellectual property. Your philosophy around leadership, your system for navigating organizational politics, your methodology for getting a buy-in from resistant stakeholders, That is your framework. And frameworks are worth far more than skills. Then we go to layer 3. Layer 3 is the deepest layer. It is your experiential wisdom. Big words, I know, but it means this. This is the layer that truly sets you apart from every 32-year-old coach out there with a certification and a Canva template. This is the scar tissue layer, the mistakes you made at 38 that cost the company $1 million, and what you did to recover from that. The team you had to let go when the division was restructuring, and the leadership lessons that came out of that. The career pivot that made you feel like a failure for 2 years before it became the best decision you ever made. Experiential wisdom, it can't be learned. Can't be learned in a course, can't be faked, can't be replicated, can't, especially by someone who hasn't lived it. And it is precisely what your clients are willing to pay you for, especially premium prices, because they're in the middle of a situation that you've already navigated. They don't need theory. They need someone who has been there. And when you understand all 3 layers, skills, frameworks, and the wisdom, you stop selling what you did and you start selling the transformation that you can create because you know what to do. And that shift is everything. So now that you understand the 3 layers of your expertise, the next step in the framework is finding your niche. And I know that word gets so overused, but stick with me on this. Because for someone with your background, this is actually a liberating, very liberating exercise, not a limiting one. Here is the most important question that I'm going to ask you today. Who do you most want to help? And what is the most expensive problem you can solve for them? Not what can I teach, not what am I certified in, but who is sitting somewhere right now, losing sleep, burning money, stagnating in their career or their business, with the problem that you have personally solved. That is your niche. Let me give you a few examples because this becomes very concrete very quickly. If you spent 20 years as a senior operations executive and you know how to take a chaotic, underperforming team and build it into a machine, you don't just coach leadership. You help mid-market manufacturing or logistics companies scale their ops without losing margin. And that is a specific high-ticket niche. If you spent your career in corporate finance and you've guided organizations through M&A due diligence, budget crises or IPO preparation, you don't just teach financial literacy. You help founder-led companies get investor ready. That, my friends, is a premium consulting offer. And if you were a senior engineer for 25 years and you can see a structural problem in a project before anyone else, you become the advisor that construction or tech firms call before they break ground. That is authority-based consulting at its finest. The pattern is always the same. Specific audience, specific expensive problem, and then specific credentialed solution. The more narrow your niche, the more clearly your ideal client sees themselves in your content. And the more clearly that they see themselves, the faster they reach out to you. Your breadth of experience does not go away when you niche down. It actually makes your niche more credible because you bring context from adjacent fields that your competitors simply don't have. Before we go any further, if you are serious about replacing your corporate income with meaningful coaching or consulting work, drop the word ready in the comments right now, and I will personally send you links to resources that will help you improve your existing presence, fix what is not working, and fast track your second act with clarity and confidence. Just comment the word ready, and I will be looking out for it. Now let's keep building. You know your 3 layers of expertise. You have identified your niche and the expensive problem that you know how to solve. Now it is time to build the actual offer. And this is where I want to slow down a little bit because this is where most experienced professionals, they either undervalue themselves or they overcomplicate things. Let me give you the architecture that keeps it clean. This is the 3-tier offer stack, and it works like this. Tier 1 is the entry point offer. This is a low barrier, high value way for a prospective client to get a taste of what it's like to work with you. This might be a 90-minute strategy session, a paid diagnostics call, short form workshop, or a mini course. That price point is accessible and it's usually between $150 and $500. And the purpose is conversation, not revenue. You're turning a skeptic into a believer. You're letting them experience your thinking, your framework, your credibility. They're doing this firsthand. So after that 90-minute strategy session, someone who has your depth of experience, most serious clients are then ready to move on to a bigger engagement. And this is your primary income engine. This is typically a 3 to 6 month engagement, private coaching or consulting, either one-on-one or in a group format, but it's priced between $5,000 and $25,000 depending on your niche, the seniority of your client, and the scale of your transformation that you're going to deliver. And this is where your 3-layer expertise becomes a complete program. You're not just giving advice. You're walking someone through a defined process, one with milestones, accountability, and measurable outcomes. You want a clear name for this offer, a clear outcome statement, and a clear structure. So when you describe it, a potential client immediately knows if it is for them. And then our third tier is the premium or retained engagement. And this is the top of your stack. A fractional executive role, a monthly advisory retainer, a VIP consulting package, a high-level mastermind class. These engagements typically run $3,000 to $15,000 a month, and they are reserved for clients who need deep, ongoing access to your expertise. You don't need many of these. 2 or 3 retained clients at this level, combined with a few tier 2, and you are already at or above 6 figures. This is not a fantasy either. This is the math of premium positioning. Now, here's the piece that most people miss. You need to name the transformation, not the service. Don't say, I offer executive coaching. Say, I help senior operations leaders cut through the team dysfunction and double their department's output in 90 days. Don't say, I do business consulting. Say something like, I help founder-led companies reorganize their leadership structure so they can scale past $10 million without the founder becoming the bottleneck. The name of your offer and the way that you describe it must make the client feel like you are describing their exact situation and promising a specific result. That is what creates urgency. That is what makes someone pick up the phone. Let's talk about the most powerful asset that you have that no 30-year-old coach can even come close to replicating, and that is your story. Your career is not a resume. It's a library of proof. And packaging your expertise into a credible coaching offer means learning how to tell your story in a way that builds trust, establishes authority, and makes your ideal client think, wow, this person has already been where I'm trying to go. And that is an incredibly powerful thing. So here's a simple structure that I want you to use. Call it the authority story arc. Part 1 is the transformation. The transformation that you experience for yourself. What is the defining challenge or turning point in your own career that led to your deepest expertise? Maybe you were the one who inherited a failing team or turned it around. Maybe you were laid off from a VP role and rebuilt your career from scratch. Maybe you spent years navigating a toxic corporate culture and finally walked away to build something on your own. This is something in your career story that directly mirrors what your client is going through at this particular time. And that part of the story, that is your opening. Then part 2 is the system that you developed. What did you figure out through trial, error, hard experience that allowed you to solve the problem? What do you know now that you wish you'd have known then? This is where you plant the seeds of your framework. You're not just sharing a story. You are showing your client that your experience, it forged a methodology. You have a repeatable process, not just a lucky break. Then we get to part 3. Part 3 is the results that you created. What happened as a result of your approach? What did you build, fix, grow, or transform? Use real numbers when you can. Percentages, timeline, scale. These are your case studies. These are your proof. And in the early stages of your coaching business, your career results absolutely count as case studies. You don't need to have coached 50 clients to prove your expertise. You need to show that what happened when you applied your thinking in the real world. This authority story arc is the backbone of every piece of content that you create. If you're going to use it on YouTube, LinkedIn, discovery calls, and proposal documents. Once you have it built, it becomes the through line to your entire personal brand. And now let's bring it all together. Your positioning statement. Everything we have covered today, your 3 layers of expertise, your niche, your offer, your architecture, your authority story, it converges into one thing, and that is your positioning statement. This is the sentence or two that you can say to anyone, former colleague, a LinkedIn connection, someone you meet at a conference. It immediately communicates who you help, how you help, and why you are the person to trust. Here's a formula. I help specific type of person who are struggling with specific expensive problem to specific meaningful outcome using your unique method or framework so they can bigger life, better business results, and then write that out. Say it out loud, refine it until it feels like you, not like a marketing tagline, but like a natural, confident statement for your value. Because when this lands right, it doesn't just sound like a pitch, it sounds like clarity. In a world of vague professionals hedging their way through introductions, clarity is magnetic. So here's what I want you to do. Take away from today. You are not starting over. You are not pivoting. You are not reinventing yourself from zero. You are taking a mountain of real, hard-earned, battle-tested expertise and finally building a business structure around it that allows the right people to find you, trust you, and pay you accordingly. The framework that we walked through today, the 3 layers of expertise, the niche clarity exercise, the 3-tier offer stack, the authority story arc, and the positioning statement, that is the complete foundation. If you do this work, and I mean really do it, not just think about it, but really do it, you will have more clarity about your coaching and consulting offer than most people who have been doing this for years. And that clarity is what allows you to show up on YouTube, LinkedIn, discovery calls with quiet confidence of someone who knows exactly who they are, who they help, and why they are the right person for the job. That is not arrogance, that is authority, and it is long overdue. So if you want the full system that I use with every client I work with, including the exact worksheets, checklists, PDFs, and templates that support every step of this framework, I've put it all together in one free download, my free transformation blueprint. It is linked in the description below. This is not a watered down lead magnet. It is a complete set of documents and working tools that I have personally used to guide myself and other professionals just like you through the entire process. From raw expertise to a market-ready, revenue-generating coaching or consulting offer. Download it, work through it, and if you have any questions, come back to the comments, let me know. I read every single one. My friends, I will see you in the next video. I am out.